Howdy everybody, my name is Yahya Khan and this is my Protostome video project on crayfish, or as we in Louisiana like to call them, crawfish. You can see below the image I've cited my sources and are pointed with the arrow as well. Let's begin. Okay, so what are they called and where can you find them on an evolutionary map and a real life map? Well, their common name, as I mentioned, are crawfish, but their scientific name are Procambarus clarkii. Now, crawfish being arthropods in the Animalia group within eukaryotes belong to the Protostome group, specifically within the Extasizosa superphylum and the Crustacea subphylum. As seen with the arrow, you can also find them there as Astacus, or within the eukaryote group within the tree of life. Now, on a real-life map, crawfish can occupy a vast array of wetland habitats. These include bayous, swamps, marshes, ponds, lakes, and even ditches and cave burrows. Now, food. Crawfish are omnivores and are fond enjoyers of anything that they can consume, and with their strong appendages, including their mandible to crush things, legs to travel, antennas to find food, can tear through land and aquatic plants and insects. These include snails, algae, waterweed, larvae, and many more. And as a fun fact, some are even carnivorous and eat other crawfish when food is scarce. Pretty scary. Now, looking more into their relationships, as I mentioned, they can be predators and can eat a wide range of organisms, like I mentioned, snails, algae, decaying matter, and other invertebrate. But on the other end of the table, they can be prey and are staples in the diets of larger fish, including bass, catfish, otters, and alligators, to minks and birds, including herons. Not to mention, us humans love to eat crawfish, especially down in Louisiana. You'll see them at every crawfish boil. Now, one thing to note is that crawfish have evolved over time and have developed many unique traits to help them survive. We'll go over some of them. This includes their antenna, which allows them to heighten their senses and detect chemicals in water, find food, and navigate through treacherous environments with their enhanced receptors. They can burrow, allowing them to dig through complex tunnels, avoiding predators, high temperatures, and even find oxygenated waters in those deep, muddy, and sandy environments. They can also hide from predators with their ability to camouflage, with their unique color patterns allowing them to have the ability of coloration, even in the trickiest of situations, by the way. Now, lastly, are they Wolverine? I don't think so, but crawfish can also regenerate their limbs, including lost legs and pincers, allowing them to heal and recover from severe injuries. As I've shown in the images, there is the external and internal anatomy of the crawfish. Now, what is their influence on the world? Us humans and the ecosystem included. Now, one thing to note is that crawfish are keystone species. That means they have a large influence in the flow of food chains across a plethora of ecosystems. They're vital in ensuring habitat structure and water quality. This is all done by their ability to remove harmful decomposing matter, as mentioned previously. And can't forget, they're extremely flavorful and nutritious and are sold in fish markets across the world at over 800,000 tons at more than $200 million in value. That is amazing. They aid in the global economy and the ecosystem, boosting the biodiversity of our planet. Once again, folks, my name is Yahya Khan, and that is it for the presentation. I hope you learned something about crawfish. Thank you.